Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is gonna be our video number 40. And here is our question, that is, write a program that encode a message to base64 in Python, or simply we have to create a base64 encoder script in Python. So before we writing our solution, let's see what is base64 encoding. So the base64 encoding is a method of representing binary data such as images, audio files, etc. as text data using only 64 characters. The 64 characters used in base64 encodings are A to Z, like the uppercase letter, lowercase letter from A to Z, 0 to 9, plus, and the slash with equal sign used as padding. At the end of the encoding message, we'll see the double equal to sign. That means it is base64 encoding. So let's see how we can solve this exercise. So I have already created a file. Let's first import the base64 library. It provides function for encoding and decoding data using the base64 encoding scheme. And let's write our function name with the help of our def keyword. And we'll write the function name as encode base64, and we'll provide the message as our input. Let's write message bytes equal to message dot encode, and we're gonna use the UTF-8 encoding. So this line encodes the message as a byte string using the encode method and the UTF encoding scheme. So UTF-8 is the most widely used way to represent Unicode text. And now we'll create a base64 bytes variable equal to base64 dot base64 encode method, and we'll provide our message byte here. This line uses the base64 encode method from the base64 library to encode the message byte as a base64 encoded byte string. Now let's return base64 byte dot decode UTF-8. So this line decodes the base64 byte back to a string of character using the decode method and the UTF-8 scheme, encoding scheme. Now let's get out of the function and we'll write message equal to input, enter the message to encode, and we'll use the encoded variable equal to, and we'll call our encode base64 function. We'll provide the message, and after that we'll print base64 encoded message, comma, we'll provide the encoded variable. Okay, so let's save the file and run the code. Let's write dark shadow encode base64. Okay, I made a mistake here. It should be base64 encode. Now it should work. Sorry guys. Let's write dark shadow, and yeah, it is working. Let me clear the screen and we'll run our program again. Secret mission 313. Okay, so let's copy it and we'll go to the CyberChef GitHub. From base64, and we'll write our, and yeah, secret mission 313. Great. Let's run our program again and we'll write dark shadow anonymous, If you see double equal sign at the end of the message, sorry, encoded message, so you can predict that it is the base64 encoding. So let's see. Let's change the input. Yes, dark shadow anonymous. Great. So this is how you can create a very simple program to encode a text to base64 in Python. So give it a try and let me know your thoughts in a comment section. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.